Everyone, by the way, my name is Chipper Lumapang. For today's video, I'm going to create a program using Python language.
Label 2 and number 12. Number 12 is range of indexes. First, my list equals 0 bracket open bracket 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and close bracket. Line 2, my list 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This line is initializes a list name by list with the integers from 0 to 9. And number 3 is print my name. Print my list open bracket 2.5 2.5 and 2.5 and close bracket and close parentheses. Then hashtag items from index to items from index to 4 from index to 4. And line 3 is print open parentheses my list and open bracket to 5 and close bracket and close parentheses hashtag items from index 2 to 4. These lines print a list of my list starting from index up to but not including index. And the next is number 4 output 1 out 2 3 4. The slice includes the elements of indicates 2 3 and 4, which are 2 3 and 4 respectively. Output open bracket 2 3 and 4 close bracket line 5 print my list and items from the beginning to index. Next is 5 is print my list print my list hashtag items from beginning items from the beginning. And the line 5 is this line prints a slice of my list starting from the beginning of the list up to but not including index 3. The slice includes next number 6 is output 0 and 1 2. This line print a slice of my list starting from the beginning of the list up to but not including index 3. Next 7 is print line 7 is print my list and list open bracket 5 and close bracket. Thus Next is items from index 5 to the end. Index 5 items from index 5 to the end. Underline 7 is the slice includes the elements of indices 0, 1, and 2, which are 0, 1, and 2 responsibility. Line 8 is output 5 open bracket and 5 6 7 8 9 5 6 7 8 9 and the next is 9 is print my last item, print my last and open bracket negative 1 negative 1 negative 1 and last item in list. Last item in list. This line prints a slice of my list starting from index 5 to the end of the list. And 10 is output 9. Output 9. Output is 9. And this is our code na ang atong code na gihimo. Mo na tanan. And let's ba may error. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo nagkamali. Sandali lang. Try again, add-on pala number. Line 2. Line 2 tayo. May mali. Kasi dalawa yung kama natin. Yan, kaya try natin na i-run. Yan ang result ng code na ginawa natin, yung output natin.